Alright, so in this tutorial we're gonna finish animating these texts over here. Whereas before we had it the A, D, and I animating and landing in to reveal the text. We're gonna do the same for this. Alright, so let me see. Alright, so the I came in around frame 12. The D came in around frame 16, and the A came in around frame 20. So let me grab this second D and let me place a keyframe on frame 12, so it'll make contact in the middle at the same time as the I. Okay, and then let me go back to frame 1, set another keyframe just as a visual reminder. Now in here I'm gonna you know what, first let me hide this A and let me hide this S. Okay, so from here I'm gonna pull it back like I said we're gonna do. Maybe right around here. So it's about equal distance. 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there you go. 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, good. And now I'm gonna set a keyframe. Because like I said before, just because you had a marker here doesn't mean that it updated when you moved it. So I'm just gonna hit S to update it. So now if I were to scrub it, there you go. And in this shot I'm gonna hit Alt V as in vector, or Option V on Max. There we go, see? And when you add sound effects, it'll end up being a lot more fun and entertaining to watch. Alright, so let me open up the second A as an apple. So that was frame 12. Frame 12 is when this D makes contact. So I need to have the A trailing behind this D so that it takes a little bit longer. So let's say instead of 4 frames like we had previously before, what if we were to go back by 5 frames? So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus 5, 17. 5 frames. Yeah, and then I'm gonna hit S, make a contact point that this is when it's gonna make contact. Then at frame 1 I'm gonna put another S to make contact point. On frame 1 is where I'm going to pull this back to here, or right here. Yeah. And then I'm gonna hit S to keyframe it. So now, there we go. Let's see how it looks like here. Alt V. See? Very nice. Simple and nice. Alright. So just to remind myself, frame 17. Okay. So the last S should be after frame 17 because I want it to trail behind this A and take longer So instead of frame 17, I'm gonna have it take maybe 3 frames lagging behind. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I'm gonna hit S because that's where it's gonna land, contact here, and then before the beginning part here at 1, I'm gonna hit another S just as a visual notation. Then at frame 1, I'm gonna pull this back and then hit S again to lock in my location. So here, boom, 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 boom. See? Now if I play it here, very nice. Simple and nice. Let me hit the space bar. Yeah. I'm gonna hit Alt V to stop it. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. And next tutorial we're gonna animate these bars. Okay, so that'll be the next